Hi guys, Arnold Broad here with another news update on your health, and in this issue we want to talk about blood pressure and what's high, what to do about it, how to get it down into the normal range. If you have any questions about this video or any of the videos on my channel, just give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790. If you'd rather email me, there's a link in the description below this video. Just click on that, take you to an email form. Also, there are other links to videos in my channel that you may find interesting about high blood pressure and other health-related issues. If you're on a cell phone watching this, to get to the description, you have to click on that little upside-down triangle that's to the right of the title of this video. Now let's see what we have today. Now, according to the U.S. government, 100 million Americans have high blood pressure. And that's just the U.S. alone. I mean, in the world, it's an incredible number. But for the U.S., 100 million people, that's almost 1 in every 2 people over the age of 18. That's half the population over the age of 18 with high blood pressure. Now, that number has gone up a little bit because the high blood pressure rate has gone down in terms of what is high blood pressure. It used to be 140/80. Now they're looking at 130/80. Health conscious people say it's 120/80. So we have a range in there. And if you're a truck driver, that coming down from 140/80 to 130/80 is a big deal, because that could cost you your license. Now, high blood pressure is classified as a disease, but in reality it's a symptom of a natural bodily function breaking down. So with blood pressure, it's all based on arterial stiffness, and you have to fix that in order to help your blood pressure. If you don't fix that naturally, then you're just going to be taking medication for the rest of your life. Now, what medication does is it offers symptom relief, meaning that it can lower your blood pressure. If you have a headache, taking an aspirin can help your headache. But if you don't address the underlying cause of the problem, that problem just gets worse. And then over time, what happens is you either have to increase your medication, add new medication, or find out that the medication, that even the cocktail medication you're taking, is not really working correctly. Now, that's not even counting the side effects that come along with increased medication levels. And for men, the side effects, one of the major side effects of high blood pressure meds is ED. Now, a way to repair the body is to start adding high quality foods and supplements. Now, I break it down into foods and supplements because changing your diet is, as anybody that's tried to do that knows, it's difficult. So supplements can be the way to go. But adding high quality foods is really important. And one diet plan called the Mediterranean diet is really good for doing that, and they're listed all over the web if you want to see what's going on. But the following group of foods are rich in phytonutrients, which are heart-healthy nutrients linked to lowering blood pressure. And they're dark leafy green vegetables, nuts and seeds, bananas, oatmeal, and I'm sure you've seen commercials about oatmeal and cholesterol and things like that, but it's also good for your high blood pressure. Whole grains, fish, and a soy product called tofu. When you add these into your diet, a couple of things happen. Well, one of the nice things that's happened is that the more you add those into your diet, the less junk food you have in your diet, and that's the things that cause damage to your cardiovascular system, which is what raises your blood pressure. But now supplements, that's really the easy thing to do. And One of the easiest supplements to do is something called nitric oxide therapy, and taking a product that helps introduce nitric oxide into your system, which helps to heal the cardiovascular system, heal the lining of your blood vessels, to help with high blood pressure, to help with cholesterol issues, to help with complications of diabetes, and if you're a man, to help with erectile dysfunction. If you'd like to see a really good video on nitric oxide therapy, because it's a little too long to put into this quick news update, then just click on the link in the description below this video, and it'll take you there. Remember, to get to the description, if you're on a cell phone, you have to click on that little upside down triangle to the right of the title of this video. If you have any questions about nitric oxide in general, if you have any questions about this video or any of the videos on my channel, just give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.